Hello, ma'am. Good morning. I am Stephanie Oledan, 37 years old, high school graduate, single parent. I have two kids ages of 6 years old and 13 years old. I work as a domestic helper in Kuwait since 2014 until 2017. I serve 9 members of the family, one couple, and 7 children. My duties are cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, and sending children in school. And also, I work in Singapore for 4 years since 2019 until 2023. I serve 3 members of the family. My duties are cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, cooking, gardening, and also I take care elderly. I hope you're giving a chance to serve your family. I am hardworking person, honest and obedient. I promise that I do my best. God bless.